welcome to the channel. This is Jay. I am here to share with you some happy mail that I received from a couple of my friends. The first, I received this from Ms Seashell, and she's Michelle, and her channel is Ms Seashell on the YT. So Michelle sent me this. Oh, beautiful package. Beautiful packaging. Look at that. Oh my. You know what? I got to get better at my packaging because this is just beautiful. Oh, look. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. So Michelle sent me this. And I just love Happy Mail. Don't you love Happy Mail, everybody? Let me look at her card. Look at her card, you guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. It says perfect. Thank you, Michelle. So just a little happy mail to share with my crafty friends. Hope you enjoyed the pokey tool, the die cuts. Happy crafting, hugs and glitter, Michelle. Oh my goodness, Michelle, thank you so much. Okay, she got me some die cuts. She knows I love she knows I love die cuts. Oh my goodness. Look what she gave me, some of the Tim Holtz die cuts. Oh, look at the girls. You know what? And what I want to try is with alcohol inks to color these. Oh my, look at those. The flowers. Oh, look. The dog. The little boy's okay, but you know how I feel about dogs. Oh, little girl, little ballerina girl. I'm going to try to color that pink with my alcohol inks. Oh, another girl and a dog. Hey, that's a handsome dog, right, you guys? Little girl's cute, too. Oh, some of the 3. Those are his new ones with the 3. Oh, look at that boy. Oh, look, he got a dog, too. She knows I love dogs. Look at that. Oh, she knows I love flowers, too. Oh, this little guy is handsome with his little stick. Look at that. Butterflies. Those are things I love. Dogs, butterflies, and flowers. Oh, my goodness. These butterflies are gorgeous. Flowers are gorgeous. Look at little girl. She has a ball. She has a big bow on her head. Big bow. Oh, butterfly. Oh, the roses are pretty, too. Love that. Oh, Michelle, thank you. Oh, look at this little guy. He's handsome, isn't he? Look at his little socks. Look at his little socks. How did they get these shoes on, you know? I don't see maybe they're zippered. They're zippered. See, I get too much into these little details. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my. Look at her. She's so cute with her flowers. I hope I can color those. Okay. And Michelle made me a pokey tool. Uh-oh, I gotta be careful opening. Because sometimes me and my opening, I get too thrilled. Oh, look at the packaging on that, you guys. Look at that. You know, we save ribbons and everything, so you know I'm saving everything. Oh, look, she really packed. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think I get in from right there. I'm not really good at getting inside of packages. But I'm really beginning to enjoy the pokey tool. I don't want to make a pokey tool, but I can enjoy a good pokey tool. Okay, so she got this here. Ah, see that? Uh-oh, wait a minute. I thought I was able to unwrap with just that one movement there, but not. She has this wrapped up because it's nice and fragile. Pokey tools are fragile. You don't want nothing to happen to them in the mail. Oh my goodness, blue's my color. Look at that, you guys. That is beautiful. I love this pokey tool. Look, it has a dragonfly on it. And a flower. Michelle, thank you so much. This is beautiful, you guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I was talking to my other friend, Sondra, about, I already cut her bag open. So I'll tell you what she sent me. She was at her Dollar Tree, and she knew I had my Cricut maker, and she included some of this too in her thing, but I already cut that open so I wouldn't have to do it on camera. So she sent me some, because at the time when we were talking, I told her I was looking for some just to see, because I wanted to make book covers with it. So she sent me the faux leather from Crafter Square, the Dollar Tree. So she sent me the white, the blue, and the brown, and also some of the transfer tape. So thank you, Sondra, for this. Sondra doesn't YouTube, and she doesn't Instagram or anything like that. But thank you very much, Sondra, for sending this to me. And I'm so happy with this. I am going to try to do a book and put this on it, and also try to see how it cuts in my Cricut. Thank you very much. You guys, thank you for the happy mail. To everyone else, be the reason somebody smiles. And if you stop by to see this video, thank you. And for spending the time with me here on my channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you love happy mail, write down in the bottom that you love happy mail. And just have a good summer, everybody, because we really need it. Get yourself vaccinated if you're inclined to. If you're not, if you're not going to get vaccinated, please be safe so that we'll all stay healthy and we all can get together as friends again. Talk to you all soon in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.